Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Let's take a look at how versatile this little 6x6 catch basin can be and how it can save you so much money over installing a French drain. We'll start with how to create the riser. Bring this from a deep depth to grade.
So to extend a catch basin is relatively easy. You can see how it sets up. We've got a riser, we've got a basin down below. Great. This is SDR 35 and it's 6-inch. It takes a 6-inch piece. They do sell these. They only sell them at Lowe's. You can't get them at Home Depot, so don't waste your time. This is a 6-inch round catch basin and works real good. We've got the inlet, the outlet, water runs through it. And what we're doing is we're just bringing this catch basin up to grade, up into here, because they wanted something that they could just look in and see that water flow. Real simple. Basically, we're going to set our SDR 35 down in. Then we're going to make a measurement. However you want to do it, you can use a ruler. I like to just use a saw and give it a little score so we know where that's at, and I can cut that off. So once you cut your pipe to the right size, stick it down in your catch basin, wiggle it so it's good and tight down to the bottom. Set your catch basin on, and it's done.
Now let me show you how easy it is to install this little basin onto an existing line. Much better than adding gravel perforated pipe, this catch basin will collect all the water. This is a catch basin readily available from Lowe's or Home Depot that you can install with just a few tools: a shovel, a rake, and a hacksaw. This is the area that we're working on, and as you can see from the arrow, the water comes down the sidewalk and pools up right there in the corner. Go ahead and pull back your mulch, and then take your shovel and slowly dig down until you find the pipe. Be careful that you don't break the pipe or collapse the pipe. What we're doing is digging out on both sides so that we can get a hacksaw in there to cut that pipe. There's our pipe. Next, take your catch basin and make a couple little marks where you're going to cut it. With your hacksaw, go ahead and cut both sides of the pipe and cut clear through. Next, one side of the catch basin slides into one side of the pipe. The other side slides into the other. Wiggle, pull until it makes a good connection, and you're done. Go ahead and put back your fabric, landscape fabric, cut a hole, snap your cap in place, cover up the mulch, put it all back together, clean off the catch basin, and there you have it. These little 6x6 catch basins are so versatile. We use them all the time. And as you have seen, they can be set at any depth needed.
So just like we did the putting a T on here, this is a double outlet catch basin, so it's basically a T. We're going to make a cut here. Our first cut. We just need to cut clear through. Yep. And we'll make another cut back here, which is our back side of the T. Cut it a little bit long. And then we'll fit our basin on. Remember, this is solid pipe over here, so there's no fabric. Perfect. Yep. Now we're ready to backfill. And we'll bring this up to with a little riser up to the right grade. But this one was pretty deep to put a riser on it, so we'll use this one instead. So if you need to make a riser, we're here at Lowe's. They've got these small 2-foot sections. They're $16, but they definitely make your life easier. So remember, they're not available at Home Depot.
To add the riser, simply cut the pipe to length and install snap on the grate.
So hopefully all these tips I'm showing you will save you some time. In fact, I know they will. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.